Welcome to our channel. Setting up auto pickup features on the FAFSA portal can help streamline the process of importing information from your tax returns. Step 1. Access the FAFSA website at studentaid.gov and log in with your FSA ID credentials. Step 2. Start a new FAFSA application or select an existing application to continue. Step 3. When you reach the financial information section, look for the Transfer My Tax Information option. Step 4. Click on the IRS Data Retrieval Tool (DRT) button to automatically import your tax information. Step 5. Follow the prompts to connect to the IRS website and authorize the transfer of your tax data. Step 6. Verify your identity using your social security number and other personal information. Step 7. Select the tax year relevant to your FAFSA application and confirm the data you want to transfer. Step 8. Review the auto-populated financial information to ensure accuracy, then proceed to complete the rest of your FAFSA application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.